Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the nitty-gritty of company reports. Today we're cracking open an 8K filing from MetroCity Bankshares. Don't let the name fool you, it's not about a futuristic metropolis. We'll see if their financial results are as exciting as a sci-fi movie or more like a trip to the DMV. This report is called an 8K. Companies file these when big stuff happens, things that investors should know about right away. This report is dated April 18, 2025, so let's see what was so important on that day. The main thing in this report is that MetroCity Bankshares released a press release about how they did in the first 3 months of 2025. This means we're going to get a peek at their income, expenses, and overall financial health. It's like checking the car's dashboard to see if everything's running smoothly. The report mentions an exhibit, specifically Exhibit 99.1, which is the actual press release about their earnings. Earnings basically means how much money the company made. Let's see what this press release says, because that's where the real details are. Okay, so it looks like Lucas Stewart, the Chief Financial Officer, signed off on this report. That means he's responsible for making sure the numbers are accurate. It's his way of saying, I stand by this information. Now, without the actual press release attached here, it's tough to give you a specific breakdown of their financial performance. But let's talk generally about what these kinds of reports usually show and what to look for. Normally, an earnings press release will cover a few key things. First, revenue. This is the total amount of money the company brought in from its services. Think of it as the total sales the store makes. Next, we'll see net income. This is the profit after all expenses are paid. It's what's left over after paying salaries, rent, and everything else. It tells you if the company is making a profit or losing money. Then there are earnings per share, or EPS. This is the net income divided by the number of shares of stock the company has out there. Investors use this to see how profitable each share is. Is it a lot of profit for each share or not so much? We can also expect some commentary about the company's performance. The CEO might say something about how the quarter went, what challenges they faced, and what they're expecting for the rest of the year. It's a bit like a coach giving a pep talk after a game. An earnings press release often compares the current quarter to the same quarter last year. This helps us see if the company is growing or shrinking. If revenue and profits are up compared to last year, that's usually a good sign. If they're down, that could be a warning. And press releases often include a look ahead. Companies might give guidance, meaning they tell investors what they expect to earn in the next quarter or the full year. This helps investors make informed decisions about whether to buy or sell the stock. Now, to give you some analysis of MetroCity Bankshares, we'd need to see those actual numbers from the press release. But based on what we know about 8K filings and earnings reports, let's discuss. Without seeing the report, it's hard to know what their strategy and competitive position really are. But if they are growing, they are doing something right. So what's our final verdict? Well, without the hard numbers, it's tough to say for sure. We know MetroCity Bankshares had something important to tell investors on April 18, 2025, and that it had to do with their financial results for the start of the year, but we can't give a rating. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this peek into the world of SEC filings, hit that like button and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder, and let us know in the comments if there are any other companies you'd like us to decode.